Times are changing. The concentrated power endures. The secret of the EIBENSTOCK positron power tool. It is made for marathon operations. The EIBENSTOCK positron machine delivers best performance, has endurance and is robust. Why does the EIBENSTOCK positron machine run the way it does? Because we are developing customer-oriented, practical products. What makes the EIBENSTOCK positron machine so special? Over 90% of the EIBENSTOCK positron components are made in India. That means motor, gearbox housing, gears, shafts, gear case cover, motor housing, protective hoods, drill rig parts, all are made in the India. Why all this effort? The EIBENSTOCK positron machine is the result of well thought out work. It is the product of decades of experience, modern technologies and a high level of backward integration. Our claim: precision in all components. Therefore we are also doing the machining, motor manufacturing and powder coating by ourselves. Where does the EIBENSTOCK positron power come from? Through the perfect interaction between man and machine. For this, one wheel has to mesh precisely with the other. This is the only way to achieve what EIBENSTOCK positron stands for: quality down to the last detail. What makes us proud? Our long-term employees. They are the head, heart and hands of this company. Only they can turn a power tool into a real EIBENSTOCK positron machine. Drilling, grinding, mixing, cutting at a consistently high level. EIBENSTOCK positron. Professional power tools, made in India.